Hi guys, it's reaction time. We've got the Dreadful Tides and Animal Inside. Man, love this band. Love this band. I've only heard a few songs, but that's what they've been doing. They've been releasing lots of sporadic singles. A couple last year. Well, no, sorry, not even in next year yet. Getting ahead of myself. I think this is the third one this year. Um, Australian metal band. Just they hit all the right notes, man. They are absolutely fantastic. Loved everything I've heard from them so far. But this is the new song, Animal Inside. So you got on the vocals, you got Jimmy Black on bass, you got Wes Hopkins on guitar, you got Justin Strudwick, and on drums you got Leland Hallett. Without further ado, this is Dreadful Tides. This is Animal Inside. Here we go. Fucking brilliant, man. Oh, they hit all the right notes. There's so much groove to their music as well. I mean, man, you just can't help. It's the way them good riffs are written. You just can't help. Yeah, fuck yeah. Love the medium pace to it. The way you get these grinding riffs and then it's a bit of chugging. Not too much chugging. We've just got that coming in and out. The powerful vocals by Jimmy Black, just perfect. They're almost like this mix. Like they've got a little bit Metallica in them, I would say, a little bit. Some of those bluesy riffs almost remind me of like Pantera at times. You know, those real cool groove laden bluesy riffs. They're fucking excellent. It just hits every single metal note that you want. They're brilliant at it, man. And you know, they've got this. Even though it's so really heavy as well, it's got so much melody to it. Everything's melodic, whether it's, you know, the verses, the bridge, the chorus, it's all melodic, the whole lot. And I noticed that with Dreadful Tides, every song is just instant and it's there. You know, the melody just hits so hard. It's very anthemic, it's very heavy. It's just head banging music. That's exactly what it is. It's straight up metal at its best. Everyone in the band performs brilliantly. What also they have is an excellent sound production and mix. So it's recorded and produced by Ricky Rye at Light Hill Sound Recording. Got to give a shout out to this guy. He just makes them sound so powerful as well. You know what I mean? Just adds that extra bit of oomph to their sound. Fucking brilliant. Love this band. Here we go for the rest. Here we go. Brilliance right there, man. Fantastic. Reminded me of sort of like, you know, they got that little bit of like 90s, early 2000s sound to them as well. Just brilliant metal, man. The solo was fantastic. I love the bit where it went into that bluesy riff. They done this like effect on the guitar, like just excellently written solo. Love every part of that. I just love a solo that's well thought out, just not jammed. It's just like you can tell there was a bit of time taken on it, and that was fantastic, man. The Dreadful Tides and Animal Inside. Where's the album, guys? I want it at the beginning of next year. I need it at the beginning of next year. I'd love that. Let me know if you love that song in the comments below, and I'll see you soon.